I've got a sweet tooth, but I've never had a sweet mouth. I should do it. But don't live in your fears. Live in your hopes. That's where the best part of you is. You are so beautiful to me. You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see? Everything I hope for, everything I need. You are so beautiful to me. Yes, you are so beautiful to me. You see, you're everything I hope for, everything I need. You are so beautiful to me. You are just so beautiful to me. You see, you're everything I hope for, everything I need. You are so beautiful beautiful to me. You are so beautiful. To me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Don't live in fear, live in pride and great beauty and hope and prosper. Thank you.